I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm hurt. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm hurt. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. I'm up in the morning like 5 in the morning, I'm already on. So when you just getting out of the box, boy, I'm rounding the corner. This ain't a persona.
Previously on Inside the Body Shop.
I'm going to start on the door skin. I'm going to go ahead and lift this door off. If you hammer it flat like you would on a steel door skin, it'll actually crack the aluminum around it across the edge. And you want to do that all the way around. So I have this door skin sitting on here. I'm gonna go ahead and fit this door up. I wanna see how it lines up to the fender. Now you guys can see here how it's sitting down and back a little bit. So I'm gonna take these clamps loose. I'm gonna try to shift that skin around to get this gap lined up good. So this door is way in from the fender right here, and then the fender's in from the door down here. I think this fender, being this fender's damaged, I think that fender's pushed in and up and it caused this to bulge out. I'm gonna lift the door back off and I'm gonna go ahead and work the edge of this fender, see if I can get that fender into shape. So I got this door and skin fitting good. It's lining up good across the back. I got it lining up with the fender now. I gotta do a little more work on the fender here, but I got my line lining up. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna lift this door back off, and I'm gonna go ahead and get this door skin put on permanently now. Now I'm putting a few sheet metal screws around the edges of the door. I'm gonna use those as alignments to make sure this door skin goes back on in the exact same spot. I'll run these screws in after I put the glue down, and that'll ensure that it's exactly where I have it right now. Alright, so I got this door skin on here. I'm gonna let the glue dry. It's a horrible design that Ford has, the way they fold it around this lip right here. It's almost impossible to get a hammer to fold this around here. Very, very difficult. Really stupid design. I ended up having to hammer part of it, then I had to use pliers to get the rest of the fold, to get the fold around. But it's there, so I'm gonna let the glue dry on this the rest of the way, and I'm gonna go ahead and get into repairing this fender the rest of the way.